Okay, so we're going to go into an exercise called the lasagna pan. The purpose of this exercise is to release the myofascial tension along the spine. Andre's going to have his feet wider than hip distance apart, and that's just going to open up the lumbar spine. His hands are knitted together on the rib cage, and his elbows are nice and relaxed. Just make sure when you're on the roller that your hips are relaxed and weighted on the roller, as well as the head. And we can see here that there's ample room, and Andre's nice and safe. We're going to start not rolling around the roller. We're going to start to push into the floor with the feet and shift over just a little bit, like half an inch off to the left and then over to his right. And he's just going to be massaging the outer sides of the spine where the shoulder doesn't dip or the elbow doesn't dip, and then he's slowly making his way back to the other side. It's stick or slow, so we want to move through space without a lot of force and without a lot of momentum. This exercise takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes, where we're just oscillating back and forth. There should be no pain when we're executing this. If there is pain, you want to shorten up the movement or dismount and then try again in a little bit. How does that feel?